Do you feel safer today than you felt yesterday? I know I don't. The biggest, most expensive military in the world, and we're still scared of shoe and tighty-whitey bombs at the airport. Why is that? Because soldiers are built to take orders and fight wars. But we, my friend, are not at war. We are at peril. You know who does feel safe? The men in charge, the world beaters, the top shelf par excellence ayatollahs with all the dollars. And that's because those righteous bastards somewhere along the way made a deal with the devil. They traded liberty for safety. And us, we the people, ended up losing both. That's while everybody else is stuck on the ground, we're doing shit on the board nobody's ever even seen before.
Let me guess. You're home?
It was. And it was beautiful. Titan was like most planets. Too many mouths, not enough to go around. And when we faced extinction, I offered a solution.
Genocide.
They would all cease to exist, and I call that mercy. But random, dispassionate, fair to rich and poor alike. They called me a madman.